Hello, me fixing everything, and because there is always something to be fixed, subscribe to the channel. It might be helpful to you to fix everything. I got a problem today. My printer cassette stopped working and it's making a grounding noise, and as you can see in the title of the video, the drum, it's stuck. So what I'm gonna try to do is I will open the cassette. I don't know how, so figure it out together, and I'll try to see what's the problem and if I can solve it. If not, I'll just go and buy another one. But Sunday again, I don't have time to buy another one and to wait for it. I need a printer now. So we'll give it a go. Just undo all of the screws. What I wanted to say. I wanted to say that don't do that at your house. Go outside from the balcony or go in the garden, because the laser printers have very nasty powder ink, which can make a lot of nasty stains on your household items. So now when all the stuff are removed, let's see how we're gonna open that cassette. Usually you pull one side or you push, and that's how we got a little thing right here. Okay, let's see. Doesn't move. Okay. Now that's removed. That's the nasty part. Stay away from it. And as we can see, it doesn't really want to move. Let's see the drum itself. Drum is moving nicely. No problem with the drum. Okay, let's see what is wrong here. Then we need to remove that blade. All of the powder is inside here, so be very cautious. No, I still didn't want to move. Okay, so we pulled that part off. Let's see where is the problem. I can see that the drum is moving relatively okay, but this thing here is still stuck. Let's pull some of the cogs off. So it's not moving. This one is moving okay. Need to move this one off. There is a little spring on this side. Yeah, I can put it just to one side. Okay. This spring, now I can take it out. Okay, so this thing here is bad. Can we dismantle it a bit more? I don't think so. Let's see if we can put some force on it and break it, or do something with it. Right here, can you see it? Okay, so what is this? I don't know. You got something like rubber, but I think it's free now. What kind of lubricant do these things use? I don't know. I free it up. Let's put the coke back in. Maybe some kind of silicone lubricant they use. I don't know. Come on, go in there. It doesn't want to. I'm using the wrong size. Give me a second. Okay, so stop the video just so I can see one of the cocks disappeared. So I'll just put this one back in. Also, there we go. I had a little thought, and right here, just take a little thingy and remove. There is like a rust, maybe. I don't know what exactly it is. Contaminations. Just clean it up a little bit. Give it a nice little clean. And I have silicone based lubricant. I'll just put on the tip. You don't want to contaminate all the stuff inside. Just put on the tip, and I'll show you now what we're gonna do. Can we focus? Yes, okay. Now we're gonna pull, look my left hand, pull all the way out. There we go. Just put a small touch right here on the shaft. There we go. Push it back in. Check. And now the same thing on the other side. No, we're not gonna even touch the other side. Okay, let's leave it like so. Now, next step, put all of the cocks back in. This cock, can you see? This one, right there. This one here. Maybe on the other side. I don't know which side is correct and which not. Okay, maybe on this side. And then this one here, or not? No, this one is here. Okay. And then this one. Right here, let's see if it's moving. It is moving. It is moving nicely even. Okay, now let's put this thing back in. Can you see? I don't think you can. Zoom in a little bit, more like so. Need a better camera setup, but give me some time and I'll make one. Okay, let's put it right here. Nice one. Put it in here. And then what we're missing the side plate, which was sitting just like this, I think. There we go. Now let's put the plate. I'm really optimistic that that's gonna save the day. And it's gonna be repaired. How long the repair is gonna last, I'll put in the comment section, because maybe, just maybe, it's not gonna last even a day. I'm printing very thick sheets, 200 grams cardboard on this normal printer, so maybe that's one of the main reasons why. I'm having problems such as this one. Okay, let's see. Does it move? Does it not? I don't know. Let's see what's next. It doesn't move as freely as I want it to. Okay. Oops. There is a little spring right here that wants to be connected, and on this side as well. And okay. Now let's see. I think it's moving really nicely. Okay. Now I'll put all the screws back together, and next step is go to the printer and have a look if it's working with cardboard, because I want it to be working with cardboard. I don't really care about the normal paper. So what you need to do is just clean up everything. Don't do it at home, because can you see the black marks? I'll wipe them now. But your kitchen, you can't wipe them because it will make a mess. Okay, now stop the video now. and we will go upstairs and we will connect the cartridge to the printer. So that's 200 grams, I think. Is that 200 grams cardboard or is 160?
It's 160.
Okay, 160 grams cardboard. And I already checked it on normal plain paper, like this one. It's working fine with this one, so we'll check it now if it's working with the cardboard. I just plugged the cartridge back in. I did the checks and it's working fine. I don't know how the load of the thicker paper is affecting the drum. Maybe it's putting some strain on it, but it should be fine. Let's see, let's give it a second.
It's in progress.
In progress. There we go, it's printing perfectly fine. How much time is gonna last, I'll put in the comments. If something breaks, I'll put in the comments. If it just runs out of ink, I'm not gonna put anything. So that's how to fix the drum or something stuck in your printer. Just clean it up on the inside and continue going. I hope this video has been helpful to you. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.